Do you guys remember when I made this custom model? It's been over 7 months ago, and I just noticed that both have the same LMS letters on the tenders. Anyways, these are customs. So, well, I want to talk about, not about this for now. Just put it on one side, on the side. And I want to talk about where you can buy some stickers. You can buy the stickers, link in the description. There you can buy the from eBay. You can get it on eBay. You know, I opened an account again because I closed the accounts on eBay, and I opened it again about let me see. I think it was 2 months ago. I opened the account. Yeah, it's over 2 months ago, but I never mentioned it and here on YouTube where you can get the stickers. And unfortunately, it's not that you can buy a single sheet of stickers. It's actually for the 6 sheet of stickers. It's just not worth it just to sell 1 sheet of stickers on eBay. There's a lot of fees involved, so it's not worth it. Even selling the sheets on eBay, the 6 sheet of stickers, decals, eBay takes a lot of fees, a lot of money from there. But anyways, so the link's in the description if you want to buy. If you don't find the link, it's already gone. And actually you can buy my sticker, because I used to get a lot of questions, messages, where you can buy the stickers, and I already post several times, but again, I'm gonna say it again today. You can buy, go to my community tab here on YouTube. You can get the stickers links where you can buy a single sheet of stickers or the 6-pack or 3-pack of stickers. The community tab, community posts. So anyways, I found this laying around. I made this. Here's one thing I remember I say there is a line you should not cross modifying, customizing an engine. Everybody can do a custom engine. I mean, you can modify the funnel, you can modify anything. Now the problem is, if you are doing this for only joy, for the pleasure, just to do the custom, it's okay. But if you want to make money, of course you're not gonna make a lot of profit, because there's just few people that might buy your customs if you're planning to sell it, because it takes time, time to redesign something or modify a little bit. It's not worth it. There is no worth it. I mean, it's just you're gonna have just 1 to 2 customers. That's it, because it takes time. You gotta buy the engine, modify. It takes 1-2 days maybe, and that's it. You have 2-3 customers, and that's it. And that's the line I do not cross. I do not cross the line to make it look exactly or perfect model. Now what I do is repaint or just swap a few parts, and it's good because you can do it at home too. You can do this by yourself. That's the reason I do not cross the line of modifying and make it exactly as it is, or as you see in the videos or somewhere, because it takes time and it's not worth it. I mean, you're gonna get 20,000-30,000 views, and that's it, and you're gonna make a little profit on YouTube. It's not worth it. I mean, you're gonna spend what? Well, that's what I think. You're gonna spend 1-2 months, or maybe if you are pro, you can spend maybe 2 days. That's it, and then you're gonna get 1,000 views, 2,000 views, and not making nothing. And probably you're gonna sell the engine, but the problem is, it's just 1 customer or 2 customers, and that's it. You spend a lot of time. Nobody else is gonna buy. But anyways, and that's the reason. I do my customs, just repaint or swap the parts. For example, this one I have Henry, and I got a tender from Gordon. Since I got here's what happened. Since I got this Gordon modified for the all shape Henry, I got the tender from this Gordon for this model. So that's the reason I swapped few parts, and it works fine. Oh, my budgies are screaming a lot, my birds. Anyways, so again, in my point of view, you know how I don't have to cross that line where you are gonna make just one model and then you guys are not gonna be able to make it. The reason is to make something like a fix or repair, something that you will be able to make it. Otherwise, I mean, there's a lot of kids, hundreds, thousands of kids that they wish to repaint and put a sticker. It's better to do that than instead modifying an engine like this one. Like this one right here, let me tell you. I got this from, what are these? Smoke deflectors. Yeah, I got this from Tomas. Let me tell you what, right here. I have it right here. Yeah, from one of these Tomas. See this black area? I get it from here. See, that's the area right there. As you can see here, I record, modify. I never show you how I did this because I mean, some videos, some models I don't like to do it. It's not worth it. But anyways, so I got the part from one of these Tomas, and I make the deflectors. Next, these little pieces over here, it's a little piece from Percy. Probably, I don't have any Percy around here nearby. So there is a little square piece sticking out from Percy in this area. That's what I cut in an angle. These two pieces right here, because I have like 100 Percys, and I decided just to cut it anyways. Now the next part I modify on this model is I use some of these from vehicle modded thing. I don't recall that thing, but anyways, that's for vehicles that you make the paste, modify it, you know. So anyways, I modified the roof for this model and made it like that, you know, flat on top and then an angle on the sides. It takes time. It's not worth it. I mean, I enjoy it to do it. That's the reason I did it, because I enjoy customize this model. Now here's a door that you engrave it. I did engrave it a little bit, you know, with a knife, and it came out a little not bad. It's good. So it takes time. So we have the tender from Spencer, since I have a lot of Spencers laying around. So again, this is the reason I do not cross the line. I enjoy doing this, like I said at the beginning of the video. If you enjoy it, go ahead. But if you are going to do this and just make it for yourself and you enjoy it, that's okay. But if you are trying to make a profit, it's not gonna worth it. That's the line I don't like to cross. That's why I stick on just repaint, put stickers, or in this case we have vinyl. Swap some parts, and there you go. It's nice custom, you know. That's a really nice custom. But anyways, that's the reason I do not make accurate models. It's not worth it. Remember, it's for 20, 30 or 100,000 views. It's not worth it unless you have maybe 200,000 subscribers maybe. What's going on with this one? This one is batteries are dead. Batteries are right here. Yeah, it's not a good compartment, but anyways. So my idea is to make something that you guys can do at home, something easy. You can do it. Now I have this, see right there. Here is the battery compartment. Somehow the batteries are old. It's been 7 months since I put these batteries in. But it looks like something is loose. There it goes. Really fast. So again, guys, anyways, if you want to buy the stickers on eBay, I have opened an account about 2 months ago. I avoid to say where I sell my stickers. It's only stickers, not selling customs. But if you want to buy some stickers, it's only one listing for 6 sheets. I've been selling quite a few of those. I got it released again, and there is the link in the description of this video for my stickers. So I have just a limited quantity that I can list because I opened the account a couple months ago, and I am not doing a lot of selling. I rather like to sell directly on eBay, or I rather like to sell directly from PayPal, from my YouTube links, because eBay it's very expensive. I don't like it. But anyways, because there's some few people that they say, oh, you should sell it on eBay, blah blah blah, and I put it on eBay, but it's not worth it. But anyways, that's it.